This is the Oura Ring. You've probably heard of it before. It is a smart ring. It tracks various things such as your sleep, heart rate, stress levels, all kinds of things, fitness especially. I bought it originally to track sleep, but it just tracks so many things. It is so useful and helpful throughout the day. I wear it all the time. The battery life is amazing. I charge it maybe once a week, and the charging is also really, really fast. So I'm able to wear it pretty much 24/7. Mine is rose gold. If you want to see the color difference, that it does come in multiple finishes. My husband's is the regular gold, so you can see just the difference between the rose gold and the regular gold. I think all the finishes are really nice. I just preferred the rose gold, so I went with that one. But it fits very well. They have a good sizing guide for you. It comes with its own charger. I just keep mine in my bathroom and charge it, like I said, about once a week. But it has amazing data points that it pulls for you, and you have an app and it tracks everything for you. I could not recommend this enough. I do have an Apple Watch, which I use for other things, but I find that this just has so much more detailed information when you're trying to get your health in check and your data points that you need for that. So I highly, highly recommend. I tell all my friends about this. I love this so, so much. So definitely check it out.